Hello student, I am Professor Smita Parte, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. Topic of today's learning is History of Database Management System under the subject Database Management System. Okay, so in 1950s and early 1960s, data processing using magnetic tapes for storage. Basically, magnetic tapes were in use in those days in 1950 and 1960. Okay, tapes provide only sequential access, means one by one data is extracted or stored. So in case of magnetic tapes, punch cards for taking the input, punch cards were there. Okay, now late 1960s and 1970s, hard disk allow direct access to the data, means the invention of hard disk was done, and hard disks are used for random access of data. We can take the direct data from the any location of the hard disk. Network and hierarchical data model in widespread use. In those days, network and hierarchical models were very popular. TED code defines the relational data model, and also the researchers and designer of database system, the code, TED code, he had proposed the concept of relational database. And in those days, ACM Turing machine was also invented. IBM Research begins system R prototype. UC Berkeley begins Ingress prototype, means Ingress Postgres type of database were used in those days. High performance transaction processing were there because the invention of hard disk supported this kind of transaction processing direct access mechanism. Okay, now in 1980s, what happens in 1980s? Research relational prototype evolves into commercial systems, means whatever research under the database management system were done before 1980s were come in implementable form, and the prototypes were there for use for the different in public scenario. Okay, SQL becomes industrial standard. What is the full form of SQL? Structured query language. So it was easy. So it becomes the industrial standard. Means whenever we talk about the database management system or designing of the database management system or implementation of the database management system, the people going to use the SQL. Parallel and distributed database systems were come in picture because of this SQL. Object-oriented database system were there in 1980s. Okay, now 1990s. Large decision support and data mining applications were there, and in large multi-terabyte data warehouses, means the concept of data mining, the concept of data warehousing were there in 1990s above the simple database management system. On the basis of this data mining and data warehousing houses, emergence of web commerce were there. And in case of 2000, XML and X queries standards were there. Automated database administrator, means the automated tools were there in the database designing, database extraction, and database access. Okay, so this is the basically overall history of databases, and now present we know that Oracle 20G and related versions are there in use, and online databases are there for making or for designing the database type of applications. Okay, thank you.